stuff. So who wants to volunteer to condense this for me? Okay, girl, go. Guys, what do you think?
No. Because there's no bracket.
There's no.
Like you need to put it in parentheses. Oh, it doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter, but yeah. Like put in parentheses, right? If she just meant Ellen put that thing in parentheses, yes. Like that. Yes. But yeah. That is correct. Okay. So, final.
What do you think about this?
Thank you. I'm glad that we did that.
It.
Thank you. Okay. So this is fine. I'm gonna open it. You have a specific problem you wanna go through, or if there's something you wanna go over. We have the review sheet. Let's go. Guys, okay. This is how SI works, right? I don't go on the board. You guys go on the board. So I know there has to be something you need help with. So let's go. You said you want to do LN.
Do you guys have the book?
Yeah, can you, you know how like we have questions about maybe solve the solution, but it's in the element form.
Okay. So let's go. Take a pen. Take the marker. I'm using the review sheet, okay? Okay, so it's ln x to the fourth plus ln x squared minus ln x to the third minus 2 is equal to 7, and they want you to solve for x. So talk to us, right? Don't just write. Let's, hear your thoughts.
I mean, I'm not very sure about this, but I think I would like try to put this on the side, like add it to both sides so that I can at least have this part.
Okay.
So just like value is good. I'm thinking.
Okay. You can also ask for help, right? You can also ask your classmates for help if you get stuck.
So, up to this point, do you guys think it's
I would say, the ln is log of e, right?
Yeah.
So change it and then put e to the 9. It's going to be equal to x
E to
squared.
the 9?
Yeah, but x to the 3.
And then it comes this way.
Erase the 3 though. The 3.
Doesn't?
Yeah.
It's not going to come for it?
No.
But this is for it.
Yeah. And then
You guys have chime in. Matthew, what do you think?
I would say like we have to have x by itself.
Okay.
So we take the cube root.
and that's
It's going to be e to the third.
it's going to be equal
Because
to
this is
this.
going here. So E to the third.
Okay, let me stop somewhere. Okay, so see where she said ln x to the third is equal to 9. Okay, and then she jumped to x to the third is equal to e to the 9.
I need to.
Okay,
show
no,
how
I'm
you
trying
do
to see.
it.
Okay, good. I just want to see something. Because cube root of 9 is not 3. Square root of 9 is 3.
Cube root of 9.
There's no cube root of 9.
There's no cube
Right.
root of 9.
Because the cube root of 27 is 3. Right?
So, I guess that'll be like that. Okay. So over here, for example,
Mm-hmm.
do we need to show like how we transition from here to here?
Yeah, right? You just raise it to the e, no, right? You raise ln. We know that e to the ln or ln to the e is equal to 1. So you can raise,
This way?
yeah,
Okay.
x to the third. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Do we need to simplify it anymore?
I feel like you do, but Okay, yes, you could do that.
Okay, so you see how we have this sign?
Mm-hmm.
Your answer has to be positive and
No, only the square root. Square root. Okay, so let me give you a hint. So when we have square root, right, and we want to change square root to an exponent, what do you do? What do you put it as?
it's going to be e 9 over 6. No, not 3, 9 over 3. No, because this is 1 over 2.
Okay,
It's
but
3
you
over
have.
2.
Okay, look at what Gary did.
1/3
Okay,
and 9 over 3.
okay. So take the idea, right? So you have x. You're on the right track, but you kind of. So x is equal to, right, e to the 9, and then change that into an exponent. The cube root, make it into an exponent.
I think it's going to be 3 over 2.
Why are you saying 3 over 2?
Oh,
It's a cube
1
root.
over 2.
Okay, keep going.
Then we're going to have e to the
Okay. Okay, yeah. Yes.
So this is the simplest we can see.
Yeah, so x is e to the third.
I was thinking it's 3 over 2 because here the cube root is half. And then there's 3.
The cube root is 1/3. The square root is half. Okay, good. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah. No, you can leave it. I don't know. Okay, guys, so who wants to go next? Let's go.
Well, I have a question.
Yeah, let's go. Yep. What number, please? Thank you.
44.
Okay.
Question, like, when we have like arc cosine and half.
Okay, so choose one. Choose one, choose two.
Okay, I'll
You go.
choose, case, like, we know the angle that it gives us a half. The cosine of the angle gives us a half.
Okay.
Is that what we do? We just simply say it's that angle?
Okay, so angle that gives you a half is what? Well, angle whose cosine is half.
60? Right, 60.
Yeah, 60.
So I just write the angle and that's the answer.
Wait, how is angle? Okay, 60, but.
No, because
Because she said like we have to go through the calculator and change it to radians.
You don't have to change it to, you don't need the calculator, okay? So yes, you're looking for the angle, right, whose cosine is a half. But remember, this is an inverse. So you need to know the limit for cosine. What is the limit for cosine?
0 over 2, negative
0 to
5 over
5.
2, 2 pi over 2.
0 to 5.
0 to 5.
0 to
Oh,
pi.
it's about cosine.
Yes,
My fault.
good. So 0 to pi.
0 to 5.
Okay, so you always have to make sure, right, if the 60 is between 0 to pi, which of course it is because it's in the first quadrant. So yes, so your answer is 60 degrees,
What
okay?
if in some case we have like a arc sine of a negative half, let's say.
Okay, good. I like this one. Okay.
So we know like what you said,
The limit?
the limit
Okay.
from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2.
Okay. Which is in what quadrant?
First and the second.
First one, fourth, fourth.
In the fourth and the fifth.
Because negative.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay. So it's in the first and fourth, right? So where would this be? Where would the negative half be?
Fourth.
It will be in the fourth, right? Good. So now, so you're looking for angle, right? Also, another thing is sine, right? The sine function, is it odd or even? Is it an odd or even function? So sine, is it odd or even function?
Odd.
Okay, so what does that mean if it's odd in terms of the problem?
So we take the sign out, take the negative out.
Okay.
I mean,
So it's simply sign.
Okay. Keep going now.
Which is negative sine of half, arc sine of half is 30. It's pi over 6.
Yes. Yes. Negative pi over 6. Okay, now I'm going to throw one in there for you.
Yeah.
Tan, and then bracket. Then you have arc sine 5 over 13. Arc sine 5 over 13. Then close parentheses and then bracket. Yeah. So talk to us.
I was actually going to ask you about this like type of situations. So in this case, should we draw a triangle?
Okay. You draw a triangle, but you have to always do what first?
Draw a right triangle.
No. You
You
good.
have to get the, oh yeah, yeah.
You always have to do the limit first. But yes, you draw a triangle, but you have to find where that triangle is going to fall into. So what is the limit for sine?
Negative 1.
So, like, it should be either
Mm-hmm.
this quadrant or this one.
Okay.
First or the fourth.
Okay.
Well, we have positive numbers, so it's going to be the first.
Beautiful. Okay. So let's draw our triangle.
Is that what we do, like the justified angle?
Mm.
Just the same?
Yeah.
So we know that this is the hypotenuse.
Okay.
That's
Hypotenuse.
the
Mm-hmm.
That's 13. This is the, so it's
Plug that into a calculator, you'll be able to figure that out.
Wait, isn't 13 C?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's the hypothesis, right? So
Right,
here
right.
you have your A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Wouldn't that be
13
A
squared
squared.
equals 5 squared plus 12 squared.
Right.
Whoops.
Yeah.
that's right.
that should be 12 squared?
Good. So that's
So
12.
this is 12.
Okay. Good.
Right, and then simply we say like 10 is
Mhm.
12 over 13.
10 is
Oh, no, it's, I believe 5 over 12.
5 over 12. Good. 10 of the angle. That's good. You just say equal to 5 over 12. 5 over 12. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I don't think there is anything like more difficult than this when you come to the inverse.
So like my concluding question is,
Okay.
if we know the angle,
Let's see. What do we do?
I have a question.
Uh,
Can I divide this into, I'm going to be focusing on this side. Sine square theta over cosine square over theta times 1 over cosine square theta. Can I do something like that?
Guys, what do you think? He wants to change the right side in that way, into that form. What do you think?
I'm asking if it's possible.
well, Professor Latham told us that this is like a wall, we can't.
Oh, I'm not moving to this side, I'm staying on this side. I'm asking if I could convert this into this.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see a problem with that.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's
Yeah.
right.
That's
Yeah.
like clear.
That's good.
So, let's see. take out cosine. That was sine. Cosine squared theta cosecant.
So don't forget to take out the theta, right? Cosine theta.
Cosine.
The theta in front.
This?
Yeah. Right,
Or
put a
what?
theta in front, right? You
Oh,
can
right.
just, yeah, because I know it's -1.
Right. So.
Guys, Thomas is stuck. He needs help.
Cosine square equal 1 over sine square.
Cosecant.
Can I ask a question? How, so you have cosine squared theta. How is that 1 over sine squared theta?
I don't know. I just heard someone say it.
If you change cosecant to 1 over sine.
Cosecant. Oh, actually.
Okay, but you could do something. So, speak. Speak.
Is sine squared multiplied with 1 over sine, right?
Okay.
Can I?
Do you, yeah. Yeah, you have the pen. Go for it.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna leave this alone.
Mm-hmm.
Sine theta plus 1 minus sine squared theta over sine.
So all of it, because it's 1 minus sine squared theta, all of it over the sine theta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that one is included, exactly, good. Okay.
Okay, and then I can separate them into sine theta plus 1 over sine theta minus sine. Okay, I think I see how to get to the solution now.
You can do that because of the minus. Okay, you can cancel. Okay.
Oh, I can't cancel.
No. You could, what you're separating is fine, but you cannot just cancel that because of the minus in the middle. Okay, but you're on the right track. There's something you're missing.
Right. All right,
And
so
get there.
first,
Gary, why am I not hearing your voice?
That's not solving.
okay, so I can combine these to make sine over sine.
Doing the,
Wait, no, but they're not multiplied. Wait, actually. Wait. Find the least common denominator.
1 over sine theta.
yes. So let me stop, okay? So let's go back again to the top. Erase that part.
All of
Okay, yeah, no, just the last one. Okay, start back from there. And yes, find the LCD. Good. From there, yeah, good.
So the LCD is sine. So it would be sine squared theta over sine plus 1 over sine over sine, right? Or
Well,
would
it-
be 1 over sine.
No, it's the whole thing, right? Remember, it's 1 minus sine squared theta over sine. The whole thing is over the sine.
Oh, the whole thing.
No.
No, I know, I'm just. Minus sine.
Okay, so actually, I want to, Rashid, what do you think?
Should we take the
Because I was here when you started.
Cancel them out.
I mean, okay, so I don't know which one is, I just know your last name is Ahmed, but I don't know the first. Okay, so what do you think?
Or you could have canceled
So
them
show
out
us.
from the beginning.
Take the blue pen and show us, please.
So, like we have a common denominator here
Mm-hmm.
for all of the. So we just simply cancel these two. Since this has a positive sign, we can have on the other side. So we'll end up having 1 over sine. And it is multiplied by this here.
Mm-hmm.
Right, but here's the thing, because I had a question similar to this, at least. Like I had something plus.
So finish it up, please.
So then I just convert the 1 over sine to cosecant theta times cosine theta and.
Which gives
Yeah.
us that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good. Thank you, Thomas. Yes.
Actually, I need to get going. So
Okay. Good luck.
should I sign up?
Yes. She's signing for me. Okay, guys, so who wants to go next? Rashid? What are we doing? No, I didn't say how are we doing. I said, what are we doing? There has to be something you want to go over. There has to be.
Just give me whatever you want.
Do equations.
Can we try differential equation?
DQ?
Yeah.
Also, give us one. Actually, give Rashid one.
What's the
Instead.
DQ?
Difference quotient.
Thank you.
Isn't the h plus x?
F of x plus h, yes. Okay, girl, so do you have something you want to give? Talk to me. Talk to us.
But isn't it?
And then the function will-
Okay, so DQ, so the DQ formula is F. So I'm going to give you the DQ formula. F, x plus h, okay, minus f of x
Minus?
mhm,
the DQ just-
F of x.
over h, okay?
Can I write a question on the board?
After he's done. So guys, don't forget something though, as you're solving, don't forget something. There's something you've forgotten, like, as you're moving along,
Over h.
Divided by
right?
Is that it?
Yes, that's it. Okay, that's it. So, 2m pi, right? So if they don't give you an interval, right? They don't give you n, so you're generalizing it. So that's with the cosine and sine. Okay.
Cosine and sine is 2 and pi, and tangent is n pi.
Okay, good. So, girl, Phyllis, write on the board and you solve for inverse.
by changing x and y.
Okay, keep going.
So let's make f of x is equal to y.
Keep going. Guys, is this correct? Mostly Gary. Stop on your phone, please.
Alright.
Gary, is this, don't erase. Gary, is this correct? Matt? I'm not hearing your voice. Are you with us?
Which one are we on?
That's the-
I'm
that's
working on
the
my
inverse.
own thing, I'm
Okay,
sorry.
no problem.
Yeah, it's the inverse, right?
I mean this one. Is that correct?
Yeah. It's,
Yes.
yes, that's the inverse, right? I like that you're confident.
So are you gonna make x a subject or are you gonna make y a subject?
You solve for y again. After you switch, you solve for y again.
But it's.
So then this is the final answer.
That's the final answer, just the inverse. Okay. Yeah.
What question?
Oh, good. See that? Someone came prepared. Everybody? Yeah. Mostly Rashid. I have to say that, I'm sorry.
I mean, you kind of have a lot of questions.
Girl, nobody wants to say anything. You go. I also want to put up one thing that I feel like you guys will forget how to do. Okay? So I'm going to pick Gary to do this. After she's done, I will use it to wrap up. Okay, after she's done with this, there's a problem I feel like you guys will forget, and we're going to use it to wrap up. Okay? Talk to us.
Before this one, so when you find the range, you solve for x. When you find the range
You solve
of
for-
a function,
We solve
You
for the
solve for
y.
x.
No, the y. Domain is for the x. Right? Think of the one with the asymptotes.
so it's the same as the inverse function. Just that with
Yeah.
the inverse you have to.
So, yeah, so, okay,
Thank
good.
So,
So-
what do you guys think?
What do you guys think? Who is behind you? Is that Mark? Mark,
Yeah.
what do you think?
What? I don't know.
Log of 6 is 8, log of 5 is 8,
Find log 900.
and that's expressive
Wait, let me
as.
Okay, so you break 900.
Yeah, you gotta break them.
Yeah, but how? Into what?
So in terms of A and B,
Right.
when A and B equal those, find the state what the log of 900 is. Okay.
That's an A, right? Not a 9?
No, it's A.
And this
A.
is 0, so it's divisible by 5. So let's try it. 5 plus here. How many is that?
Guys, the lady needs help. Let me hear the guys. What are we doing? The lady in need.
5 times 6. So that is 5 squared, 6 squared.
Okay, so now go make it nice with the
So
problem.
we'll have 2,
6 squared. Okay.
that would be 2.
A.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
2B.
Because log 5 is b. So 2b plus.
2B.
We say log 5 plus log 6.
Can I just show you like
Okay.
the step that I'm arguing about? So this step right here.
Mm-hmm.
Should we write it as like this, or say log 5 times 6 whole squared, then break it to this?
Okay.
I
Yes.
thought like it's log for like the
Yeah,
whole.
but it's like expanding and also condensing, right? When you expand, each gets. When you condense, everything just has the one log. Okay.
Last question. Using the same thing.
Okay.
So I'm thinking we can just make this into 12 over 10. Right.
Keep go. Okay. So I'm guessing we're gonna like kind of wrap up with this. There was no more time. Sorry, guys. Okay, no, keep when we finish it and then. That's
Can do
it.
it also 6 or 0.2.
Okay, guys. So, yep, this is it. Okay, good luck. And, hmm?
You want the question?
No, we're out of time. Yeah.
Oh, just shut up the question.
Yeah. Well, he was busy on his phone and the time ran away. But, guys, so I just want to say something just to, like, you know, just for you to have in mind, right? So remember the, what do you call it? The Descartes, right? I hope you studied that. You have 45 minutes. The P and Q, right? You have the synthetic division, right?
Yeah.
You also have the leading coefficient and the degree and the behavior, right? If it's rising and going down. You also have how to find your HA, right? The N and M. How to find the vertical asymptote, the horizontal, right? With the rational function. Also to test with the inequalities. Testing your value to find the intervals. And then the inverse, remembering your limits. Okay, so good luck. Have a nice Christmas. And if I see you guys in the hallway, better be A.